to my channel. I am Princess, and today we're going to be trying out some new makeup. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. At the end of the video, I'll be giving you a review on the products that I've used. I'll be letting you know if I think it's worth your hard-earned money, and hopefully it'll help you make some decisions as to whether or not you want to go, splurge a little bit. So I'm super excited to dig into this stuff, so I'm not going to hold you long, girl. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I have already prepped my eyes for eyeshadow, as you can see, and today's new boo for the eyes is going to be the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This palette is so beautiful. Here are all the colors right here. Have no idea what we're going to do today, y'all. We're just going to wing it. So I'm going to go into this first shade right here. It is a beautiful orangey brown called Taza. And I'm going to use the same fluffy brush. I'm just going to pack that on. And I'm going to go, ooh, child, she is pigmented. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at that color. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I went ahead and put on my foundation because my foundation isn't a new product to me. It's an oldie but goodie. It's my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I have on some lashes. These lashes are new. I'll go ahead and show you guys the package. Here they are. They're by the brand iLauder, and I've never seen her before. I think she's a YouTuber. Not exactly sure, but these are the lashes that I have on. I put on some black eyeliner. I'm going to finish up my lower lash line, but I want to go ahead and keep it moving to the face. So next, going with my face, I have these babies right here. I have 3 of the Colourpop No Filter concealers. I have the shade, what is this? Golden 40. I have Rich 75, and then I have medium 30. Okay, I don't know, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with golden because medium looks kind of light. I may need to add a little bit of this, but we're gonna start off with medium 30. I'm sorry, golden 40. Okay, so the very first thing, smells like makeup, but I really love the applicator. It's a flat doe foot applicator. I don't know how this dries, so I'm going to start with one eye and work my way up. And that's a really good shade for me. Okay, I like that. It's really creamy, really soft. I love this applicator. I really do love the applicator. Okay, so that's that. Whoa, that's giving me some really good coverage. Wow. Whoa. That's a lot more full coverage than I was expecting. Okay, Colourpop. I see you. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I can say, y'all. This concealer is nice. Like, for $6. Did y'all see that? OMG. Y'all, look at that under eye highlight. Look at, I can't, y'all, this concealer got me so shook I can't even talk right. Look at this under eye highlight though. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all. This right here about to be bad. Okay, I'm excited now. I'm excited to try out the darker shade. Now I'm gonna go in with Rich. I'm actually kind of scared. And I'm gonna use my Real Techniques sculpting brush. And this is a really nice contour shade for me. Okay. Okay. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see what I'm saying? Girl. Let me set my face. Okay. Alright, y'all. So this is what we're looking like after I set my concealer. Who shook? Me. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face because my other face products are just, you know, my normal stuff. So I'm going to go through that. I'm going to speed that up real quick. And we're going to get to these highlighters. So to highlight with, I have these 3 highlighters here. These are the Mega Glow Halo highlighters. I have them in this color Goddess Glow, Gilded Glow, and Go With The Glow. So let's see. This one is more like a champagne color. Or no, this one is a champagne color. This is like a light gold, and this is a bronze. I think I'm gonna go with Goddess Glow. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Goddess Glow. And guys, I thought I was recording myself putting on this highlight, but my camera turned off, so hopefully it caught the footage. But if not, I'm using the Goddess Glow Mega Glow Halo highlighter, the liquid illuminator from Wet n Wild, and I'm using it with a brush. It seems to dry down to like a powder finish, so as it dries, it actually gets easier to blend. Y'all, look at that. Look at, oh my gosh. I can't. Y'all, I'm about to just put this herb, like, for real. Like, it's just so freaking pretty. Like, so pretty. Do y'all see, girl? Stop it, Wet n Wild. Look at that. And it's giving you that nice wet look. It's not chunky. So pretty. Y'all. Girl. Yes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of me using all the products that are new to moi on my face. So we're going to quickly go through these products so I can let you guys know what I think about them, so I can kind of give you some feedback so you'll know whether or not you want to go out and try them yourself. First of all, we're going to start with these here concealers. Y'all, I'm mad at myself. I'm so mad for taking so long to try these out. Like, no lie, these are by far my favorite concealers. hands down my favorite concealer so far. There's another popular one out by Makeup Revolution. I want to try that one, but out of all the concealers that I currently have in my makeup collection, y'all, if you don't have these concealers, why don't you have these? Like, you guys saw it yourself. You saw how it blended out. You guys see how my under eyes are like really bright, really lifted. They blend good. They have a really nice, I would like to say like a satin matte finish. It's not dewy, but it's not super duper drying, because I do have dry skin, and usually like really matte concealers under my eyes will leave my eyes feeling really dry and kind of tight, but this feels really comfortable. The powder set really nicely on top of it when I set them. Y'all, it just looks good. Look at this. Look. Dude, I mean, I'm just saying. So next up is this boo-boo right here. This baby. This one. Y'all, again, do you see the pigmentation on my eyes? Do you see this? I'm in love. I absolutely love this palette. I have every single eyeshadow palette that Juvia's Place has ever created, and as long as they are creating eyeshadow palettes with this quality, this pigmentation, this creamy texture and blendability at an affordable price, I will have them all. I mean, Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes are like Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. I want every single eyeshadow palette that Juvia's Place comes out with. Y'all, they blend so good. They blend effortlessly. They are super pigmented. I think this color I have on my lids is probably my favorite all-time eyeshadow shade. Like, y'all, this thing is so pretty. And if you don't have it, I highly recommend that you get this particular palette. It has these nice warm matte shades right here. You have some pops of color, and as you can see, I did add some pop of color on my lower lash line. And then these shades down here, I mean, they're gorgeous. I mean, they are, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you have these 4 kind of neutral shimmery shades. This one has a gold ship to it. I would actually try to use this as a highlight on my face, and I will, as well as this peachy one right here. These two would probably work really good as highlights on your face as well. And I don't feel like these shades are scary, you know. I feel like these are good shades if you are wanting to, you know, venture out into trying more color. I feel like this is one of Juvia's palettes that you need to have. Like, and look at these eyeshadow pan size. It's like, who gonna go through all this eyeshadow in one lifetime? Who? I want to know. But I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. It is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. You guys will be seeing me use this more in my makeup tutorials because this is bae. Moving on. These right here. Now again, the one that I tried was, which one did I try? Golden Goddess, or Goddess Glow. That's what I have on now. And y'all, these right here, $4.99, they are a steal. Like, seriously, go and get them. This is another one of those things that if you don't have it, go get it. Like, these are, I have no words. Like, I'm surprised. I don't know, I didn't expect for them to be this good, but they are that good. You guys saw it. You see this, like this glow right here, this glow is this. I mean, thank you guys so much for watching another video. You guys are perfectly imperfect. Love all of you because God does, and so do I. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, be blessed.